going to recommend everybody read Matthew 25, verse 14 through 30. It's the parable of the talents. And what that is basically God gets three guys and he gives them all a talent, right? So just call it money, for example. And just to make it simple terms, let's say he gives one guy $5,000, another guy $2,000, and another guy $1,000. Over a few days, again, this is all summarized and made in short and simple terms. A few days he gets back with these guys, and he asks for them to return the money. The first guy comes back and says, "Thank you, God, for the $5,000. I went out, I did some work, and I made another $5,000. So in total, here's $10,000." The second guy that he gave $2,000 to comes back and says, "Thank you, God, for giving me the money. I did the same thing. I went out and worked, and I made $2,000. Here's $4,000 in total." The last guy that he gave $1,000 to says, "Thank you, God. Here's your $1,000 that you gave me because I was scared to put it to work I was scared of losing it, basically. So here's your $1,000 back." And so the point of this story is that God has given each of us talents. We need to go out and be playmakers. So again, student, athlete, employee, entrepreneur, whatever or wherever you are in your life, God's given us a talent. We can't be scared and sit back and wait, scared of losing something, or scared to make something happen on our own. We have to go out and use the talents that he's given us and make something of those talents that he's given us, because he's blessed us. And if we just sit back and wait, just like how we see in the parable of the talents, like the last guy comes back with just $1,000, there was disappointment in that. So again, how do we use the talents that he's given us? First, we have to identify what that talent is. And you're not going to start off being great at anything that you do. You may have more potential, more upside than somebody else. You may, have a better talent initially than somebody else, but the work that you put in is going to help separate you. So first thing is identify what that talent is. And second thing is go to work right away. You can't sit back. You can't overanalyze, because then you start to get, paralysis by analysis. You need to attack the plan and, create a plan, but don't overanalyze it. Go out, attack it 100 miles an hour. And that's just part of the message that I wanted to share today. We're all given talents. We're all blessed by God's grace. We have the ability. We just got to put it to work. So hope you guys found value. Thanks for watching.